Is your neck literally a pain in the neck? Listen, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to reset your neck in 4 easy, simple movements you can do at the gym. Follow along. Step 1, you gotta mash out the tissue around the neck. So most people with neck problems, it's from forward posture, either looking at your phone or looking at a laptop. We're gonna release this upper trap that's usually tight. The first thing you wanna do, if you are at a gym, say it's my left side that's tight. I'm gonna put that hand behind my back, go underneath the bar. You may not do it as cool as I did the first time. And you're gonna press your body into the bar and apply pressure for 90 seconds. Literally just this for 90 seconds. That's it, that's the whole exercise. Now, if you don't have the gym nearby, you can still trigger point that area. It's just gonna take a lot of effort from you. So take 2 fingers and your thumb. Don't with your dirty mind quit it. 2 fingers and your thumb, and you're gonna place the 2 fingers on your back of your trap. The thumb is gonna go in the front. You're gonna squeeze and hold right here for 90 seconds. It won't do as good of a job, but if you're in pain and you're not next to a barbell, this is gonna be super, 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 super beneficial for you. So either way, trigger point for 90 seconds. Exercise 2, we have to make sure that our body is in alignment. So the first thing we have to realize, if your posture is forward and your neck is causing pain, your shoulder blades probably aren't back. So the next thing we're gonna do is called scapular retractions. I'm gonna put my hands against the wall. Without bending my elbows, I'm gonna pull my shoulder blades together and push them apart, just like this. You wanna do at least 5 reps. I would recommend if you're in neck pain, do 10, and do not look down. Looking down is gonna make it hurt. Keep your head facing forward and just work those scapulars. The next move we're gonna do is stretch out our chest. Our chest gets really dominant and tight, pulls everything forward, and that causes the tissues around your neck to get overstretched. So just a simple chest wall stretch, you're gonna make an L with your arm. Twist your body off the wall and keep your forearm on the wall. This one you're gonna wanna do at least 90 seconds, or here's a quick trick you could do to get a better stretch. Active release. So you would activate your chest by pushing your arm into the wall for 5 seconds, exhale, and then stretch for 30 seconds. This way your body is releasing your nervous system so that you can actually stop guarding and lengthen the tissue. Last but not least, if our upper traps are super dominant and tight, we have to work our lower traps to get those to function correctly. So the easiest thing to do to work your lower traps is to lay on the ground like so. Keep your chin pinned in, put your fingertips on the ground, and slide your fingertips out and back in, squeezing those shoulder blades down, using your lower traps, the muscles beneath your shoulder blade, to pull down. If your elbows flare out like this and it's very difficult to keep them in, we gotta stretch out your lats and your chest a little bit more because you have another problem that's going on. Hopefully your neck is already feeling relief. If it's not fully reset yet, reach out for professional help or just reach out to us here at ResetU Fitness. If we can get to your problem on a specific level, we can do a lot better than just this video. But if you haven't already done so, share this video out. If you have neck pain, there's probably millions of other people that have neck pain too, and this could definitely help them. If it helped you, it's gonna help them. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe. Subscribing to the YouTube channel is like tipping your waiter. And if you went to a nice dinner, you got a lot of value from your waiter, you'd probably tip them, right? I mean, right? So if you haven't already done so, subscribe. It's just like saying, hey, thanks for the good service. And your waiter appreciates it.